Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Custom Knife Factory Snafu 2.0 here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's check this out, because this is a pretty cool knife, guys. This is Peter Rassenti Integral Snafu. It's a beast of a knife. It's beautiful. It's sturdy. It's crazy. Guys, action is already fantastic, but we're gonna see if we can improve it a little bit, because it's been a while that I'm not doing any kind of maintenance on this guy. So I believe this is going to be needing a T15. Let me see if I'm right. So this guy is a T10. Oh, actually it's T10, so never mind. It's a T10, so let's see. I remember the pivot spinning on this one, so we're just going to open the blade like that, because we don't want to scratch anything when the blade is, let's see, exactly. Just take your time. These things, then, you know, these things need some patience and some accuracy and some attention and some care. It's just like a little distraction and you can really scratch something. So just take your time. There's no rush over here. Now we need to push the this part outside of that socket. And for this I like to use just a hard plastic tool like this guy and just be able to push it through with no damage or anything. Then this is an integral knife, so basically you're done. That's it. The only thing is that you're gonna have also these two washers or spacers to take care of. And so we're gonna just clean the inside over here, clean over here. We're gonna actually use one of these alcohol swabs over here. We're gonna do a thorough cleaning this time because it's been a while. Let's just clean all the sides of the handle, which actually has a very cool finish. So after, let's clean inside the grooves. Actually, look at the guys. This pivot collar, Damascus, really cool. Let me see if we can just remove it and clean also underneath. Very nice. Clean this side. So if you check, this handle has a very nice bronze anodization. If you rub it with alcohol, it's nice. It has a very cool finish. It dries out and then you touch it with your fingers and then it starts shimmering, because you're gonna leave the oils of your skin on that finish, and you can see already where the fingerprints are going to be. But this guy has a very cool finish. So I was saying, this is an integral knife, beautiful design by Peter Rassenti, Canadian master. Awesome knife maker. I love his stuff. I like his Nirvana, the Snafu, of course. I also like the Paisan. Check out his new mini Paisan. It's just beautiful knife. I wish I would have one to try, but I wasn't able to snag one yet. But anyways, those are the customs. This is the Custom Knife Factory, so it's different. This is a Russian-based company. I think they outsource their parts in China and they assemble in Russia, but correct me if I'm wrong. So I would say it's Russian company with some Chinese sourced materials, and I understand probably it's like a cost related to that reason why. So, but this is still very, very cool one, guys. Integral knife. There's one solid chunk of titanium milled out from a solid billet. How cool is this? Let's just clean also inside over here. And also let's clean with this nice Q-tip all the inside. Look at that. That is done. All right, next. Next up is the insertion of the blade with the bearings, like so, and the washers. So that's not going to be super easy. I mean, it's not like crazy difficult. We're going to do a little bit of that. This is, by the way, nano oil, 10 weight. You're going to do also like this, and maybe just a little bit like that on top. All right, so you need to pinch with your fingers the bearings. All right, let's just leave it for a second like this and stay. No, it doesn't want to stay. Just stay there. Then you need to check the side of the washers which has some wear, which in this case is this one, and of course is this one, because you see the track of the bearings already kind of like engraved. Oops. Inside, on the actual washers, and they're just pinch it like this, like sandwiched, and then they need to go in like so. All right, so, and just push them here like that. Just get rid of that. So now this guy has to go in, and we need to go actually closest we can to the alignment of the hole. All right, so this is going to be like here. All right, and then okay, see, slowly we need to make sure, see, we're going to use like a something like that, like a plastic tool, just to push the washer a little bit more in, just so we can actually see it inside the pivot, like so. All right, turn it the other side, the other way around, and then you see also same thing on the other side. You see the washers, it's halfway through, and then it's with a tool like this, it's very simple. You just wedge it towards that side, both sides, like this, and it's basically done. So the blade is in place. That's just the pivot collar. And then with this tool, you're gonna align like so. See? The washers on the inside. And then you just need to put the pivot back. I think this guy goes on this side over here. All right. So like that. There's gonna be some wiggling involved. Oops. Yeah, because the washer just changed position a little bit. So that is in. Okay. And maybe that's see, the washer is just like that. And this guy, just push it in, like so. Done. Pivot collar, in. Blue Loctite, in. You grab your, your T10. I like to do it like this. Just roll the thread off that screw in, and then just like so, just a little bit, not too much, because I just like to have it like that, and then crank it down we're gonna take care a little bit of the detent ball over here. 10 weight nano oil is what I find to be working. Look at this, guys. This is insane. It's ridiculous. One of the best action for a production knife, guys. Oof. Yeah. The word you are looking for is nuts, or ridiculous, or fantabulous. I don't know, guys. This is so good that I kind of don't want to end this video, but I kind of need to. But there you have it. This is how you maintain your CKF Snafu 2.0. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.